What led to the failure of the Texas project? Communication problems and misunderstandings caused a breakdown in trust. What was Viktor Schauberger's final action before leaving the project? He signed over his rights to all his ideas and patents to return to Austria. What concept did Walter Schauberger derive from the study of the monochord? He derived the law of sound, described using a hyperbolic curve. What is the significance of the tone tower in Schauberger's theories? It represents a universal energy flow pattern, linked to spiraling vortexes. What was the purpose of the tests conducted at the Hamburg Waterworks in 1967? To reduce chemical use in water treatment using Schauberger's vortex system.